Turmeric, or curcumin as it is also known, is one of our favorite topics here on our channel. We have published numerous videos discussing its benefits, recipes, and more. However, we still see many people using turmeric incorrectly in their daily lives. Turmeric is an amazing anti-inflammatory, and there are countless papers and scientific studies comparing its effectiveness to anti-inflammatory medications sold in drugstores. These studies demonstrate turmeric's therapeutic power in treating pains, arthritis, arthrosis, and more. Long-term use of anti-inflammatory drugs can have many side effects. For example, they can overburden the liver, leading to hepatic steatosis, also known as fatty liver disease. On the other hand, using turmeric over an extended period of time can actually reverse this process. Turmeric stimulates healing and prevents fibrosis in liver cells, improving the organ's overall functioning. Additionally, it reduces joint pains and improves joint mobility. There are also many other incredible benefits for those who use turmeric correctly on a daily basis. For instance, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, reduces bad cholesterol, regulates blood pressure, and even helps with diabetes management. By doing so, it promotes heart health and strengthens the organ. Furthermore, studies have shown that curcumin has neuroprotective properties and can improve cognition. Ingesting turmeric regularly can reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Turmeric also aids in digestion and weight loss. It facilitates protein digestion and helps eliminate toxins from the liver. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that turmeric can prevent fat production and accelerate metabolism, making it beneficial for weight loss. Moreover, turmeric has been found to have anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown a potential link between curcumin and the prevention of various types of cancer, including leukemia, gastrointestinal, breast, and ovarian tumors. Lastly, turmeric is a natural and potent antiseptic, making it excellent for facilitating healing. In conclusion, turmeric is a versatile spice with numerous health benefits. By using it correctly, you can improve your overall well-being and enjoy a healthier life. I hope you learned something new and useful about how to use turmeric correctly every day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about turmeric or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.